Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Born to be Wild by Steppenwolf. This is a classic hard rock song from the late 60s, early 70s, made famous, I think, by the movie Easy Riders mostly. But this is really a fun song to play. It's a real rock song with some open E strings, and it's really nice. It's got some distortion. And a neat little stretch down here. But I'm going to show you how to play it. So let's get started with the lesson, all right? So to begin with, this song is mostly going to be on this E bar chord down here on the 7th fret. To do that, you're going to bar across the 7th fret from the A string down, and you want to keep an open E string, okay? Then you take your 3rd finger and you're going to lay it across the D, G, and the B strings. You're not going to be able to want to put your finger back there. I'm doing that so you can see my fingers. So it's going to be and the last 2 times you hit that, you're going to take your pinky here, and you're going to hit down here on the 11th and then the 12th fret on the D string. So that's the intro in the very beginning of the song. From there, when he starts to sing, it's he's kind of muting the strings with his right hand here, and he's hitting on the open E string. And from there, it's going to go to a G chord, a G major, and slide up to an A. So a G chord is going to be a bar on the 3rd fret. 3rd finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the A string. Your little finger is going to go on the 5th fret of the D string. Then your 2nd finger is going to go on the G string on the 4th fret. It's going to go 3, so I'll do it real quick for you. So you're going to go G, that's going to be 7, 9 on the D, 7, 9 on the G, and when it bend, back to the 7 on the G, then back to the 9 on the D. It does it one more time, it goes. So that one's a little easier. It's only 3 notes. You're going to go G, A, 7 on the A, 10 on the A, 7 on the D, and then you're going to bend it. You can do it one more time. Then one more time. Then you're going to start back into that then you're going to do the G chord again. Okay, and the second time around, it comes into a chorus part. It's going to go. You're going to hit that E chord, and it's the part where it goes, like a true nature child, you were born to be wild. You're gonna fly so high that you're never gonna pull off. Just hit that open E string. Okay? So I'm gonna go through that real quick. You're gonna go. And that's where you have the iconic part where it goes, born to be wild. And there's an organ going on in the background of that. And then he does it once with the organ, and then the second time he's going to hit this E chord. To be to a D chord. Wild. Does it one more time with the organ, and then the guitar goes, born to be wild. Okay? Now, when I played this in a band, and we didn't have an organ player, the way we did it was, we went, born to be wild. And the way we did that, this is if you want to play without an organ player and you want it to really sound like the original recording, I think. You hit an E, slide down 2 frets, make that a D, then you take your first finger and you're going to slide it up to the fourth fret on the A, from 4 back to 5, and I did it 4 times, okay? On the original recording, he just does it twice and kind of lets the organ carry that psychedelic sounding part. After that, he goes back to this E chord and then does the sort of the progression 4 times, but without the pinky part. Then it changes to this E chord. So to play that chord, you're going to take your second finger. It's going to be on the 7th fret of the A string. Your first finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the D string. You're going to put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Your little finger is going to go down here on the 8th fret of the B string. And you're going to hit all these strings here. And that's how it ends after that, okay? And from there, you're going to go back into the original progression of the. So I'm gonna play that for you here really quick from beginning to end. It'll be the verse and the chorus leading up to the. Okay, so here's how it goes. So that's the pieces and parts to that song. So it does the intro, it does the chorus verse twice, and it fades out on a. They call that the Jimi Hendrix chord. It's got a different name, but that's what me and my guitar player friends call it. So it's a really fun song to play along with the original recording. You can find it on YouTube, and it's really fun to play along with. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you get something from it. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and it will always be free, and it really helps us out a lot when you subscribe to our channel. So thank you, and have a great day.